So there was a protest in solidarity that was called, and specifically for women to come and claim the land, their streets and their state. But what unfolded amid them with some infiltrators that led to vandalism, complete mayhem and chaos right inside the hospital when they barged in. This is day after now at that chaos. There are images that have surfaced. So look closely on your screens. Multiple photographs. There are individuals who are very clearly seen indulging in vandalism at the hospital. These people are suspected of being involved in the vandalism at the RG Kar Medical College, where the doctor was raped and murdered last week. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, meanwhile, is alleging something even more. She's alleging that these vandals and those arsonists were from the Bharatiya Janata Party and the left parties. They infiltrated the protest and stoked vandalism. Mamata Banerjee reiterated her demand and asked CBI to furnish the investigation details by Sunday. But she also said that she'll stage a mega rally demanding capital punishment for the accused. CBI, meanwhile, has taken over the case files. They have investigated and intensified the probe in this case. And they have already recorded statement of parents and others as well, including the staff members who were at that point possibly present in the hospital premises.
যে ক্ষতি হয়েছে কালকে আরজি করে যারাই তাণ্ডব করেছে তারা কিন্তু ছাত্র আন্দোলনের সাথে এই আরজি করে ছাত্র আন্দোলনের সাথে যুক্ত নয়, তারা আউটসাইডার আমার যতদূর মনে হয়। আমি যতটুকু ভিডিও দেখতে পেয়েছি, কারো হাতে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ, তারা হচ্ছে বিজেপি, আর কারো হাতে ডিওয়াইএফ এর সাদা লাল ফ্ল্যাগ। আমার কাছে 3টে ভিডিও আছে, আমি দেখেছি। এই কেসগুলো আমি মনে করি যারা করেন, ইটস এ বিগ অ্যান্ড বিগ, কি বলবো আমি জানি না, এক্সট্রা অর্ডিনারি ক্রিমিনাল, ইটস এ ক্রাইম, বিগ ক্রাইম। এর কোনো শাস্তিতে লাভ নেই, একটাই শাস্তি, ফাঁসি দিয়ে দাও।
It was a Reclaim the Night protest in Kolkata and several other cities. But in Kolkata, where the incident had happened, it also turned violent. But the question is then who infiltrated an otherwise peaceful for justice protest? Now, political blame game has started. Bengal Chief Minister is saying this was the BJP and the left parties. The TMC is now, while putting blame on other parties, many are questioning why blame other groups when it is the TMC in control. Here's a detailed report on what happened and what followed after.
What started as a protest for justice turned into sheer chaos. Doctors and patients attacked, emergency ward ransacked, hospital vandalized. Who infiltrated the protest? Who are the thugs who went on rampage? West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee claims that the peaceful protest was infiltrated by left and BJP goons.
আমি ছাত্রছাত্রীদের কোনো দোষ দিচ্ছি না, বহিরাগত কিছু রাজনৈতিক লোক যারা বাংলায় অশান্তি করতে চান, বাম এবং রাম, তারা একত্রিত হয়ে এই গন্ডগোলটা করেছে।
The Bengal Chief Minister will also be launching a protest of her own demanding death penalty for the accused Sanjay Roy.
এই কেসগুলো আমি মনে করি যারা করেন, ইটস এ বিগ অ্যান্ড বিগ, কি বলবো আমি জানি না, এক্সট্রা অর্ডিনারি ক্রিমিনাল, ইটস এ ক্রাইম, বিগ ক্রাইম। এর কোনো শাস্তিতে লাভ নেই, একটাই শাস্তি, ফাঁসি দিয়ে দাও।
The TMC claims that the left student wing SFI members were the ones that stormed into the RG Kar Medical College. BJP in turn has blamed Mamata government and the Kolkata police for letting the thugs enter the hospital premises to allegedly tamper with evidence. Attempts may be made to politicize the protest, but Abhaya's father says those fighting for justice for his daughter are his family now.
না, এই ব্যাপারেও আমি মন্তব্য করতে পারবো না, আমি তো জানি না, আমি এত দূরে রয়েছি। তবে এত লক্ষ লক্ষ কোটি কোটি আর কি ভারতবাসী প্লাস বিদেশেও দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে বিদেশেও প্রচুর এইটা নিয়ে একটা প্রতিবাদ হয়েছে। আমরা তার 100% তাদের পাশে আছি।
এবং তাদের আন্তরিকভাবে ভালোবাসা জানাই।
ভালোবাসা ছেলে সবাইকে আমার নিজের ছেলে মেয়ের মতো মনে করছি, যারা এই আজকে রাস্তায় নেমে আন্দোলন প্রতিবাদ করছে।
It has been a week since the 31-year-old on-duty doctor was brutally raped and murdered in Kolkata's RG Kar Hospital, and fight for justice is still on. Bureau Report, India Today.
In many ways, after Nirbhaya, this case has led to a lot of outrage. One, for the brutality in the incident, but also the fact that a woman, a doctor, simply cannot even take a moment of rest in the hospital premises, which is supposed to be the safest. But it has led to a wider issue as well. Why are there no on-call rooms, no washrooms, poorly lit areas, no proper security? Suryagni Roy decided to venture out and inside the hospital premises and try to find out the bigger malice that even a hospital space is facing, and perhaps is this more common across the country?
This is the seminar room at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College, where a 31-year-old trainee doctor went into rest after a 36-hour shift. The next morning, she was found dead. Her body was brutalized, bearing marks of grievous sexual assault. Women doctors who have trained and are still undergoing training at the RG Kar Medical College have their own horror stories to narrate.
The requirement is a minimum amount of security guard, and there should be a minimum amount of hours of duty so that हम लोग को कहीं भी सोना ना पड़े। यहाँ पे कहीं भी सोने का भी आपका प्रोसीजर नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है।
हम लोगों का जो वर्किंग आवर शिफ्ट होता है उसके ऊपर तो मैं कुछ बोलना ही नहीं चाहती। इट्स लाइक इनह्यूमन, मोर देन 24-48 आवर्स एट अ स्ट्रेच वी आर वर्किंग। एट द एंड ऑफ आवर वर्किंग आवर्स द बेसिक मिनिमम नीड that is that we desire to have a proper room जहाँ पे at least we can sit for some time, let alone sleeping. That also we don't have.
Absence of on-call rooms with washrooms, ill-lit areas that women staffers avoid after dark, CCTV cameras that don't work, and inadequate security measures leave women doctors very vulnerable.
The basic requirement is a clean washroom, the first thing I would say. Wherever we work, we don't have that proper facility. We need a room, we don't have a proper washroom in our working place. Security sleeps at night peacefully. We have late night shifts, so we came down at 3 a.m., 4 a.m., any time we see the security is sleeping peacefully. There are 2 washrooms in one floor that you can use, and there are like 15 to 20 people in a floor.
RG Kar Medical College has been a hospital of horrors. In August 2001, a 4th-year medical student, Soumitra Biswas, was found hanging in his room. The police closed the case as suicide, only to reopen it 3 months later after his parents alleged foul play. Students claimed that there was porn and prostitution racket running in the hostel. His classmates said Soumitra paid the price of challenging this dirty business where girls were photographed or their pictures superimposed on naked bodies. In 2001 too, there was anger and outrage. 23 years later, there is anger and outrage again. But will the horrors end at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College? With Suryagni Roy, Bureau Report, India Today.